Alright, here we go. Here we go. Market selling off some more. Y'all better take advantage of this wartime. That's all I can tell you. When things do turn around, I'm going to be looking real good. I'm going to be selling a bunch of shares. I'm going to be scalping a bunch of profits. I'm going to be exiting a lot of positions that I think are risky, like some REITs and BDCs. Y'all watch my channel, and I will tell you, will notify you when the prices I'm buying in, the prices I'm selling at, and the positions I'm going to exit. I'm going to give you every play, man. Just got to watch your daily live trades every day. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch my recent videos. Share my channel also. We got a lot of cash flow to go by. Cash flow is king. So even while these rough times is going on, growth stock's not going to pay you dividends. And if they do, they're the bare minimum. But you can use your cash flow, your REITs, BDCs, and cover call ETFs to keep you in the game when you don't have no money coming in. All right, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch my recent videos. Share my channel also. Let's get to it. Urgent buys, urgent sales. So I didn't sell anything. The market is down. But I did make a lot of buys. We're going to start with ticker, man. Let's go with... I'm going to start with GOF. Let me knock down this little short part of my list. This the Guggenheim. Crazy name, but it does pay out dividends. Guggenheim pays 18 cents a share a month. Strategic Opportunities Fund. It's a closed-end fund. Going to pick you up some of that at market price. I already brought some already. It's your little fractional share. I'm going to go get me another $5 worth when I'm online with y'all. I think I done got $5 earlier today. Just lowering my average cost, staying in the game. We're going with one of my favorites. It's PYT Spit doing options on the S&P 500. I'd rather have this. I do own the S&P 500 also now, but this, I like this better because I get paid for holding shares. Pays between 30 and 34 cents a share every month, depending on the price. The stock right now is down, so you might get around about 30 or 32 cents somewhere in there. I put a buy limit order in at 16.65. I definitely brought my position down. I had an average cost of like $18.19. So I loaded up at these prices, and I'm at $17.39. This always plays around about the $17.40-ish range, so this is going to go back up. Nice stock for you to swing trade also. Anyway, I already got some today. When I'm online, go get another $2 worth with y'all. Ticker TWO. This a REIT I might have should have made my exit out of, but it did go up. I think I got out of it like $12, but it went up to $14 and something. Anyway, Two Harbors got down to $9.14 today. I put a buy limit order in for 5 shares at $9.14. I'm gonna leave it there. I go get $2 of this right here at market price. If you're not in this one, I would say stay out of it. We're gonna put money in the other plays, make us some money every week. MED, Metafast, another one to stay out of. Sorry, but just keeping it real. Got this on my list, so got to go down with it. Gonna swing trade myself up out of this one. IWMY, you can definitely get this one. Pays out every week. Options on the Russell 2000. Got down to 1862. Was at 1866. I can get another $5 worth while I'm here. This will go back to the $20 mark. I'm at $20.51. Maybe go to the $22. That'll be excellent. XLF State Street, the financial ETF. You get all these top 10 holdings here. You can pause it and read it. I'm trying to get through this trade. Went and brought some of that, so go get you some of that. TSLA, Tesla. Anytime Tesla under $400, go buy you $2, $3 worth, whatever you can. I got down to $394.22. All right, ACHR, the eVTOL stock. They make the drones and everything dealing with air. They gonna make air taxis and all that for the future. So I lowered my average cost on this on yesterday. I had average cost about $720 something. I got it down to $677. When this go back, I'm going to sell it at $746. All the shares I'm buying now. And I'm going to keep all my fractional shares just to let run. So I got about 51 shares I'm going to sell. I'm gonna keep the rest. Really about 70 shares. I'm gonna sell like 51 of them, and I'm gonna keep the rest. As you can see, the average trade volume is 33 million. So I'm gonna start swing trading this like everybody else do, and make me some money off it every week. So while I'm here, I already brought some today. I go get another $2 worth. Not gonna hurt at this price. Got this on a $1 recurring anyway. Okay, let's go with GIS. General Mills. As you hear me say, I hate the food and apparel sector. This one got down to 43.07. I'm fought back today, but you do get a 5.58% dividend yield. If that's cool with you, get it. Another one in the food sector, fighting back today. Flowers Food got down to 871. I think made a new 52-week low. They do have a new president, and they making changes to turn this stock around. Got a 33% buy, 50% hold. Attraction 10.64% dividend yield. So I went and got me some of that. If you don't have this one, stay out of it. If you don't have Flowers Food, I say stay out of it. But I mean, it is an attractive 10.6% dividend yield. Baxter sell medical supplies and stuff. If you're in this one, it's the perfect time to lower your average cost. Got it in 1.94% yield. If you're not in this one, stay out of it. And I'm just naming this one because it's on my list. And some people might be in it. So notifying them to lower the average cost. Whirlpool cut the dividend. Got a 7.27% yield. 52 live 58.73 with a high 111. You're not going to see that 111 again. Get out of Whirlpool because they got all the tariffs and all that. Some people keep it for the dividend, but I'm going to get out of it. But if you want to get into it, it's a perfect time to start a position. COF Capital One. I'm gobbling this up at these prices. Got down to 184.30. 260 is the 52-week high. And you get a 1.44% dividend yield. Definitely buying that. SRLN, $10 a day into that, sometimes 20, but $5 to $20. Got over 8% dividend yield, pays out every month like 28 cents a share, somewhere in there, depends on the price of the stock. Definitely got some of that. Got Bull. The other one I'm gonna start swing trading like everybody else is until it starts ripping and running. I'm gonna hold on to my fractional shares to run with, but I'm gonna lower my average cost. I did buy 50 shares at 560. I'm thinking about letting them rip at 583 just to get my money back quick, and that's gonna lower my average cost. Right now 551. Go get me $2 worth. Like I said, I don't sell my fractional shares. I just keep those, but ones I buy 25 shares of, 50 shares here, 25 here, those are meant for lower my average cost, and I'm probably going to do some swing trading with it. I just want to bring down my average cost first. But watch the videos. I'll notify you. American Express got down to $294.51. Already back up. Can't go wrong with credit card companies. I'm exiting a lot of my bank stocks, and I'm just do credit card companies. That's going to be my financials. Along with XLF, we can go with SOFI. SoFi Bank got down to $18.12 today. I'm at $18.85. I'm going to chill on it. I'm going to let it get below the $18 mark. But let you know that is still in buy range. Yeah, BLK, BlackRock, growth stock. Definitely get you some of that. Got down to $9.58 today. Now it's at $9.60. I'm going to go get some more of that. Got a buy limit order in, though. Got a 52-week high of $1,219. We'll call it $1,220. Y'all know BlackRock's the biggest company buying up everything. So definitely loading up at these prices. Ticker AMZN. Amazon in the 215 range. 52-week high is 260. Still get you a little piece of it. Don't load up. Brought some ACP today. Pay a dividend out every month. Nice dividend yield. Double digit. I want to say it's around about 17%. Got down to 535 today. So you can go get you some of that. Get your little fractional share of it. Don't load up. Just stay in. Just $1 here, $2 there, and build it up slowly. Earn pays 8 cents a share a month. Got down to 470. I put a buy limit order in for 5 shares. All right, got my average calls down to $4.97. I wanted it below the $5 mark. And I went and got $2 worth earlier today, but I did get like 15 shares of that today. On a buy limit order, HRZN Horizon Technology got down to 428 at 426. Though they reduced their dividend from 11 cents a share to 6 cents a share, had bad earnings, so it's selling off. I'm buying the dip on it. On dollar cost average on in. HPP, stay out of this one. It's one I'm swing trading. Want to see if they're going to start back paying the dividend. Stay out of HPP. KLIP look like it's trying to make a run back to where it should be. Got down to $26.55. I got $10 worth for this already today. Paid 58 cents a share last month, but usually pay between 60 and 68 cents a share. The lower the stock price, the lower the dividend would be. The higher the stock price, the higher the dividend. This is how it works. OXLC. March is the last month of it paying 40 cents a share. Then they're going to reduce it to 20 cents a share. Got to do what's best for the business. But it's still going to have like a 25% yield still though. Anyway, I'm buying it. People's panic sold. I think they're going to jump back in. Because you don't have too many other places to put your money. Still going to get a nice yield. And they're going to still have to lower their average cost. Got a lot of people just in their feelings right now about the stock market. SVOL, 30 cents a share a month. Definitely buying this one. Average cost $16.36, so I'm in a perfect place. I'm just adding on slowly, building my position out. This one I keep for the long term. I got another one position that I'm swing trading. And I'm going to just hold on to this one because it trades 24/7 in Robinhood. Wendy's got down to 7-11. I went and got some of that in another portfolio because I got an average cost of like $10 and something in that one. This one here is fine. When this shoots back up, probably just going to make my exit and be out of it. PMT, like I said, I don't like the food industry. People going broke, so people not going to be going out to eat. So I'm putting my money in Walmart, probably with Kroger's and Amazon, because people buy food on there. Ticker PMT. Got down to 1182 today. I thought I'm at 1169, so I'm pretty much good. But some of y'all I know are upside down in that one. Got a 13% dividend yield payout every quarter. Next we're going with ticker PFLT. Got down to 812. Definitely buying this one. Dollar cost averaging on in. Had bad earnings also. Well, not bad earnings. They were saying that the dividend yield is too high. But what REIT or BDC dividend yield is not high. Except for the ones that pay like 5 to 7%. YMAX, I went and got $3 worth for this one. It's coming down some more. I'm going to get another $2 worth. Now this dollar cost averaging on it when it's cheap. I got a buy limit order in at 828 for 25 shares. And 818 for 25 shares. I will get those shares when they go up to about 853 or 860. I'm going to sell them just to get my money back. I'm buying it like that to lower my average cost. I keep all my fractional shares for the dividend. I make like $106 a week. On this one, got YMAG. This definitely one I like. S&P 500. This the Magnificent 7. Down to 1271 a day. I'm at 1365. I already got $2 worth. I'm about to go get another dollar since I'm on here with y'all. Like I say, not loading up on nothing. Just knocking it down slowly. And QQQY, last one on my list. 2184. I already got $10 worth today, fractional share. I put a buy limit order in at 2172. Trying to lower my average cost. I'm at $23.93. I want to get it down about $22. This also pays out every week. Let's go check our traps. We can get through this weekend. Get into the weekend. Bank stocks. As you can see, they down. I know scalp profits, and I'm playing with the house money with all my bank stocks. Took my initial investment out, so I'm gonna let the rest run. But I think I'm gonna just make my exit and put into these dividend plays. Like SPYT dealing with SP 500 or YMAG, Magnificent 7, Maggie, Round Hills, got all other stuff I can do with it. And I could put it into a rising technology, help bring down my average cost, and do some swing trading with it to lower my average cost also. So I will be doing that with Verizon, because a lot of people upside down in it and they got to bring down that average cost. SCM had bad earnings last week, so the stock's coming down. This does pay a dividend every month. Let's see, cash flow is king. Dividend yield right now is 16%. I did swing trade LFT. CHMI got a sell limit order in at 286 for 884 shares. I'm gonna make my exit out of that one. I was gonna hold it to $3, but right now everything is risky. SLRC, catch that under the $15 mark. It's another little cash flow play here. I always have decent earnings too. Never really had bad earnings. Pays 10 cents a share a month. Got a 10% dividend yield. Pay out every month. TCPC, another one getting whooped. Stay out of this one. Get a little half a share of that. OBDC. Another one I might just sell. It's another BDC that, and it pays every quarter. Like, I need to bring down Horizon and PFLT. So that's what I'm looking at with that one. 12.8% yield, but that is a nice yield. And they got a nice market cap. So it look to be a little bit more sustainable than all the others. Viatris, PFLT. Let's go get some Nike. Nike coming down. Let me go get some Nike in my other portfolio also. You want to lower your average cost, it's the time to do it, especially being that it broke under the $60 mark. You got a 52 lower, like $52. Let me go to Nike for you. 52-week low is 52.28. Brandywine is another one I need to swing trade, take my profits out at about $3.20. I already got the sell in at $3.30 for 122 shares. See if I try to buy a fractional share. Watch, they gonna try to make me cancel my sell order. Oh no, they didn't. A little $3 worth right there. Just checking. Morgan Stanley. Like I say, every time this pull back, I'm buying this one. It's bank stock of the future. Well, it ain't gonna go anywhere. Not of the future's already got its name made. SoFi is the bank of the future. Arbor Realty, I swung trade that. Redwood Trust, waiting for this to break the plank. I'm at 642. Leave that alone, let it come down some more for me to entertain it. Let's see, Westlake Chemicals, thought about making my exit on this one. Does have a nice 8.3% yield though. But Lionel Basel one I already have. I'm gonna make my exit on this one. Hey man, I be swiping down, man. My thing be going to the right or the left. Alright, Westlake. Think I'm gonna go ahead and make my exit. Where we at? 24.58. Big deal. Got other plays I can get 8% yield at. 58. 5 shares. Trying to operate a little leaner in this portfolio anyway. Like I say, all these stocks not good companies the way they were back in the day. That's a good dividend play though. I'm not lying. You can actually keep it. But I'm just trying to operate leaner, trying to get rid of some positions in this portfolio. So that's my reason. I'm up right there. GSBD gonna be another swing trade. But nice dividend play also for the quarterly dividends. Well, I see you got other BDCs you can be used to be like the Westlake Chemicals. I could just keep Goldman Sachs. Westlake got a bigger market cap, probably more money, but I'm gonna get more dividends out of Goldman Sachs BDC. Let's see, FSK been getting handled, 1082. Look at FSK, see what it's doing. 52-week low is 1028. Okay. If you break that plank again, I'm gonna stop buying it. Just reinvest the dividends to another play. Gotta get some Glad. Bring down my average cost here. 9% yield, pay out every month. I'm shooting mostly for monthly and weekly plays. 10.55% dividend yield. Got YMAG, Shamira Investments, another REIT. Don't leave that one alone. 2.5 for me. Got Spit. Had NVDY looking. Too high for me to touch it. Got QQ Sons. Another one I need to be making my exit out of. QDT EXCDs. I got them on dollar day recurring investments. Well, we done got YMAX. I forgot. Let's see what FEPI on. 42. 39. So finally got up in FEPI. Got EARN. Got SVOL. DEA. Going up, but it keeps just trading in the sideways pattern, seem like. Want this to shoot off so I can sell this one. Got a nice yield though, 8.1% dividend yield. 28.19 is that high, so what I'm waiting on for it to do. JP Combat. Think I might just make my exit on this one. Well, things down right now, so leave it alone. I took my initial investment out. Got some marine shipping stock, CHPY, pay out every week. I'm up. Got Bullhood, all that stuff. XRN. What is this one? This must have came off of a spinoff. GPTY 37. I'm at 40. And it's all you do. Keep it simple, man. Just don't be loading up on nothing. Especially not right now, because it can go down more. BTCC. I like this is 16 and under. Pick me another share up. This shoot back past $15 quick. $16 quick. Two more shares, Bitcoin, so they can still go to 250,000. So I be having these shares getting paid just for holding FLGY. 21. I'm at 24. Buying dollars. It's the 52-week low, 1983. So that one doing good. WPay pay out every week also, 36. I'm at 39. Want to lower that average cost. YBet, $2, 2.39% discount. Got to take that. I forgot I got this on the dollar-day recurring. Throw a little something at it to lower that average cost down. Coney down. Had a nice little run. Yeah, I take this discount 4% off. Extra $2 on Coney. All those on the dollar-day recurring anyway. Got HPP, Maggie's the SP 500, PayPal got to buy a whole thing. MicroStrategy goes along and pairs with Bitcoin. A little piece of that, reinvest the dividends back into it while it's down. Mr. Russell 2000, 28. This pay out every week also. All right, and this everything I brought over from my other portfolio, RPT. Definitely gonna get some of this at this price, 9% yield. Got ACHR, 39, we at 40, I can leave that alone. All right, Big E is one I just added on. That's the top Target 12 Big 50 option ETFs. These are your holdings: Apple, Amazon, Meta, Walmart, Broadcom, Nvidia, Google, Microsoft, JP Morgan Chase, and Tesla. So 49. So it's definitely one to have to buy the dip on. More like the S&P 500 kind of stock too. As far as it's holding, those are the 12. And I bought Soxy. This is a semiconductor ETF. These are the top 10 holdings. Nvidia, Broadcom, Applied Materials, Taiwan Semi, Micron, ASML, Lam Research, Analog Devices, KLA holding. 63. Make 64. Get another $1. Got on the dollar-day recurring already. And the last one I want to check, IDVO, 4018. It's a dividend income ETF. These are the top 10 holdings: Taiwan Semi, Bank of Montreal, Mitsubishi, Simon, Siemens, Invesco, Alibaba, Chemical, ENI, Mitsubishi again, but it's an ETF, man. Can't really go wrong with those. I think it's an international one too, so give you exposure overseas. Sorry for the long video. Signing off. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe out there. Go get your money.